Did you bring home blooming plants from the nursery but they died at home after repotting? Let's talk about the mistakes that beginner gardeners make that kills these plants. The first one is to never repot them when the soil looks dry, even if the plant appears fresh. This is a big no. First, you need to hydrate the roots by keeping them in water for a few hours. What really matters is the size of the planter. The root ball needs to fit in comfortably in the planter with some space. There is still some room for more soil and compost. Just plant it at least this level or deeper. I'm going to use the soil that comes with it. Soil helps the plant settle better. There is still room for compost or soil on the sides. Make sure to always plant them straight. Don't use any harsh chemical fertilizers till they have settled down. Vermicompost is good enough. This is not an appropriate size of pot, and if you force the roots into it, it is eventually going to die. Now for better proportion and growth, even these taller plants with the smaller medium-sized roots need to go in bigger pots, otherwise their growth will be stalled over time. And topple off or they can break in bad weather. Now if you think that the plants are lanky and they have a really tall stem, you can remove this bottom part and you can plant it a bit deeper, maybe from here. Planting here is going to give it a better grip and the plant will do well in the long run. Don't forget to water them immediately after planting and keep them in shade for a few days till they have settled and started new growth. It is a good idea to spray humic acid next day after planting. It will help the roots and the plant settle better. You can also use Epsom salt in the planting hole to reduce transplant shock. There is also no need to panic if the old leaves start yellowing when you transplant some permanent hardy plants. That is just a part and parcel of their growth process. The new leaves will also come up soon. As long as the stem is healthy, the soil is well draining, the plant will pick up. Do let me know if this made any difference to the way you repot your flowers and how these tips worked for you.